Hey, it's Danger. We're at Bridgestone Arena in Nashville, and Eric Church is sound checking right now for the CMA Awards Wednesday night. Hear that? That's the Outsiders. He's rocking it. Listen to Froggy to hear interviews with Eric Church, Luke Bryan, Taylor Swift, Kenny Rogers, Sheryl Crow, Little Big Town, the band Perry, and more. Froggy, 104.3, 103.5, 94.9. We're in Nashville all this week for the CMA Awards that you'll hear live on Froggy Wednesday night. We'll find Eric Church. He's sound checking. We're walking around Bridgestone Arena right now.